This is a walkthrough of room 23050, which is a Staywell King at Aria in Las Vegas. Now, the last time I stayed at Aria was 2016, and I must admit, since then, I've heard varying reports of the rooms here. Some saying they've been not well maintained, etc. But this room is absolutely immaculate. But I think all of the Staywell rooms are pretty much renovated. So this is the same walk-in tub and shower combo that's always been at Aria. You do have some sort of invigorating shower connection there at the back, the orange thing. Although, to be honest, I never notice any difference whenever I have it anywhere else in MGM. The toilet here behind the frosted glass with telephone. You've got his and her sinks. Some nice mats on the floor. And then all of your storage is here, quite spacious. And it's a really bright and airy room. You've got a writing desk there, nice TV, mini bar here. And because it's a Staywell, you have a unit there which, I don't know, does something to the air. I'm not sure exactly what. Purifies it or something. Now this is a lovely view. So this is a strip view room. And the windows are absolutely spotless. Park MGM Grand over there. And then Planet Hollywood. So this will look pretty nice at night. And there's the entrance to Aria down there with the pond and everything. And then a nice bed here with Aria on the pillows. So it's pretty nice. So this is MGM Comp. I'm Gold M Life, or MGM Rewards as it is now. Oh, actually, there's one of these Philips. I'm not sure what that does. There's some sort of a light thing. And there's also an alarm clock there that wakes you up with either rain or thunder or whatever. So I got this for 4 nights, free, no resort fees as I'm Gold. 225 free play. I think I qualify for the 175 bonus for midweek check-in, plus 350 resort credit. So very nice. It's good to be back at Aria, and this room really is very nice. So a lovely last leg of the whole Bridge Across America jaunt. We're here for 4 nights, and then we head back to London. See you in the regular vlog.